Organizing the catering event. Back of the house basics. Hello, future caterers. Today we're talking about the back of the house, specifically the importance of organizing. So if you're ready to get those brain cells milked, let's get to it. First, we're going to look at what organizing is. Then we'll dive into why organizing is important, key organizing tasks for successful catering, understanding specifications, the purchasing process, and finally, best practices for ordering, receiving, and storage. So first, what is organizing? Organizing is the behind-the-scenes work that makes everything run smoothly. It's about creating a strong, flexible structure for the catering operation. And this structure helps the team work together efficiently to achieve the caterer's mission. The key takeaway here is that organizing is setting up a system that allows everyone to work efficiently, so the event runs like a well-oiled machine, and your customers enjoy a fantastic catering experience. Next, why is organizing important? When a catering plan is put into action, organizing ensures everyone knows their role. It helps staff complete tasks effectively and meet event goals. It's the foundation for a successful event. Now let's look at key organizing tasks for successful catering. There are 4 main ones: menu creation, recipe development, specifications, and purchasing. First, menu creation. You can't organize anything until you know what you're organizing. The menu is the starting point for every catering event. It establishes the foundation for all catering aspects, and it dictates how all other organizing tasks are developed. Next, recipe development. Once the menu is set, the next step is to create or choose recipes that align with the menu. These recipes will be used to prepare the dishes outlined in the menu, and they should be thoroughly tested and refined. Developing reliable recipes ensures consistency and quality in food preparation, which is crucial for a successful catering business. Third, specifications. Specifications are detailed descriptions of exactly what a caterer wants to buy. They define the standards and requirements for ingredients and services. For example, instead of just saying, "buy chicken," a specification might say, "buy organic, free-range chicken breasts that weigh between 6 to 8 ounces each and come from a specific brand." Specifications ensure that the caterer gets exactly what they want in terms of quality and consistency. They help maintain high standards for food, beverages, and services, which is essential for a great customer experience. And fourth, purchasing. Specifications are the roadmap for purchasing decisions. After creating a menu and establishing specifications, the next step is to purchase the necessary supplies to execute the menu. This includes ingredients, beverages, equipment, and any other supplies needed to create the dishes and provide the catering services. Now let's talk about food specifications. We've touched on them before, but what are they really? Specifications are detailed descriptions of exactly what a caterer wants to buy. They are an essential part of the organizing process because they help to ensure that the caterer gets exactly what they want and need for their events. Specifications often include details such as the form, texture, color, brand names, grades, unit sizes, and packaging. By using specifications, caterers can communicate their exact requirements to suppliers, which helps to avoid confusion and ensure that everyone is on the same page. For example, instead of simply ordering chicken, a caterer may specify the type of chicken, its weight, its source, and how it should be prepared. This level of detail helps to ensure that the caterer receives exactly the product they need for their event. So now we know what organizing is and why it's important. Let's get into best practices for ordering, receiving, and storage. First, ordering. The ordering process involves getting the right amount of ingredients for an event. To determine the right amount, a caterer must know their menu, the guest count, and the available inventory. Caterers must also consider factors such as expected waste and any potential delays in deliveries. By following these steps, caterers can ensure that they have the necessary ingredients to prepare for their events without incurring unnecessary costs or wasting food. Second, receiving. Receiving is the process of verifying that the delivered items match what was ordered and that they meet the specified standards. This includes inspecting items against specifications, verifying weights and counts, and using the correct temperature controls. By following these steps, caterers can ensure that they receive the highest quality ingredients and supplies for their events. And third, storage. Proper storage is crucial for preventing spoilage, contamination, and theft. This includes maintaining proper temperature controls, rotating stock using FIFO, first in, first out, and conducting regular inventory checks. By following these steps, caterers can ensure that their ingredients and supplies are stored safely and efficiently, reducing waste and improving the overall quality of their catering services. So there you have it, a breakdown of organizing in catering. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes of Catering Basics. Until then, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy catering!